Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this dash cam from the manufacturer to do a review. It's a 4K dash cam. It has HD screen, 4K video, night vision, loop recording, advanced processor, parking monitor, Wi-Fi, Type-C connectors, G sensor, and wide angle lens. So let's open it up, look at its features, and give it a try. Okay, it came with a user manual, gives you instructions step by step on how to connect the dash cam, couple of lens protector, reset pin, couple of peel and stick fasteners for the cables, shim cloth for cleaning, micro cloth, USB thumb drive for storing videos, SD card, extra peel and stick mounting adhesive. Then you have the dash cam here, Wi-Fi 4K. Before using, you want to peel off this protective film on the front, clean the windshield, peel off the red adhesive on the top, and then this could be mounted to the inside of your windshield, and it will tilt accordingly for best angle. And this is your monitor. You can peel this protective lens cover off the monitor. You can turn it on here, and then you can snap pictures using this button here. And then on the side, you have the USB Type-C connector for the charger, which is right here. You'll connect that to the USB charger, route the wire around your console, and then plug this into your accessory lighter charger. And then you have a small connector here that you'll connect the rear camera. Here's the rear camera. You'll connect that also to this. And the rear camera will rotate 360 degrees. So you can peel and stick this on the windshield, and this can rotate either to the inside of the vehicle or to the outside of the vehicle. And then you'll be able to see on the screen, a split screen, both the front and the rear camera. And then your SD card will be inserted into this slot here on the side of the camera. So let's get it all connected, give it a try. So I've mounted the dash cam to my truck windshield. I didn't tuck in the wires. I just want to test this out first. And then the camera to the back window. You can see it's stuck there. So let's plug in the power. Dash cam should come on. It says start recording. So if you look at the upper left-hand corner, you can see a red light flashing. That's indicating that it's recording. Press the button on the top, and it gives you the rear camera. And I'm just recording driving up the street. So other than maybe taking a little bit of time to tuck in all the cords and hide those cables, overall it appears to be a pretty good 4K dash cam.